Google recently unveiled Gemini, an advanced multimodal AI model designed to handle text, images, and audio. The company claims that Gemini Pro, the most sophisticated version currently not accessible to the public, surpasses OpenAI's GPT-4 in intelligence. Is that true? Let's find out. ChatGPT is an online conversational web application built on the GPT neural network, trained extensively on large volumes of text. Google also has its own conversational web app called Bard, originally based on the Lambda model trained specifically for dialogue. However, Google is now upgrading Bard with the Gemini model. What sets Gemini apart from earlier generative AI models like Lambda is its status as a multimodal model. This means it seamlessly processes multiple forms of input and output, supporting not only text but also images, audio, and video. As a result, a new acronym, LMM, Large Multimodal Model, is emerging, distinct from LLM, Large Language Model. In September, OpenAI introduced GPT-4 Vision, a model capable of handling images, audio, and text. However, it falls short of being a fully multimodal model, unlike Gemini, which pledges to be one. For instance, ChatGPT-4, powered by GPT-4v, can process audio inputs and generate speech outputs. However, OpenAI clarified that this is achieved by converting speech to text using another deep learning model called Whisper for input, and converting text to speech using a different model for output. Consequently, GPT-4v primarily deals with text. Similarly, ChatGPT-4 can generate images, but it accomplishes this by creating text prompts that are then passed to a distinct deep learning model named DALL-E 2. This separate model translates text descriptions into images. Unlike OpenAI's approach, Google intentionally crafted Gemini to be natively multimodal. This signifies that the core model is inherently capable of directly processing various input types, including audio, images, video, and text, and can output them seamlessly. Understanding the disparity between these two approaches might seem theoretical, but it holds significance. According to Google's technical report and various qualitative tests conducted so far, the currently accessible Gemini version, known as Gemini 1.0 Pro, doesn't match the overall proficiency of GPT-4. Instead, its capabilities more closely align with those of GPT 3.5. Google has introduced an enhanced version of Gemini known as Gemini 1.0 Ultra, claiming superior performance compared to GPT-4. However, assessing these claims is challenging for two main reasons. Firstly, Google has not made Ultra available yet, preventing independent validation of results. Secondly, evaluating Google's assertions is made difficult by the release of a somewhat misleading demonstration video, as depicted below. The video portrays the Gemini model providing interactive and seamless commentary on a live video stream. As originally highlighted by Bloomberg, the demonstration in the video was not conducted in real time. For instance, the model had pre-learned specific tasks, such as the 3-cup and ball trick, where Gemini tracks the cup under which the ball is placed. To achieve this, the model was trained using a sequence of static images showing the presenter's hands in the process of swapping the cups. The performance of deep learning models typically hinges on increasing both model complexity and the volume of training data. This raises the question of how further enhancements can be achieved, especially considering the near exhaustion of new training data for language models. However, the advent of multimodal models introduces a vast new pool of training data in the form of images, audio, and videos. AI models like Gemini, capable of direct training on this diverse data, are poised to exhibit significantly enhanced capabilities in the future. For instance, models trained on video data are expected to develop advanced internal representations of what is referred to as NA-VE physics. This encompasses the fundamental understanding humans and animals possess regarding causality, movement, gravity, and other physical phenomena.